Here's a look at the 2026 Mustang G30. Bold, spacious, and built for adventure, this toy hauler gives you the flexibility to bring your gear, your toys, and your comfort along for the ride. At the back, the ramp door opens up into the garage area, giving you easy access for ATVs, dirt bikes, and everything you need for weekends that go beyond the campsite. Once the toys are unloaded, this space transforms quickly. The benches fold down on either side, then convert even further into a bed, giving you a garage, lounge, dining area, and sleeping space all in one. Inside the main living area, the kitchen has a clean, modern feel with a dual sink, 3-burner stovetop, oven, microwave, full-size fridge and freezer, and plenty of storage throughout. Turning towards the front, you can see that the master bedroom is separated by a privacy curtain, with great storage and a hanging wardrobe. Across from the kitchen, the convertible dinette adds even more space to eat, relax, or sleep. Moving closer, the master bed is actually a Murphy bed, giving you the comfort of a proper bed at night and folding up to reveal a couch during the day. The bathroom gives you a lot of counter space, a large shower, and a comfortable layout that feels practical without giving up that upgraded feel. There's also a second bathroom door that leads right into the garage area, where the benches are folded down with a table in the middle, creating a great hangout space after the ride. Ready to see it for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and find the RV that fits your next adventure.